Some breaking news coming in. Petition filed by Jayalalitha's legal heirs, Deepak and Deepa, against the government's takeover of Jayalalitha's Veda Nilayam property came up for hearing before the Madras High Court bench. Today, Madras High Court observes that not all the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's residence can be converted into the memorial and has raised some questions as well. Mugilan joining us for more details. Mugilan, what can you tell us? What has the court said?
Definitely, yes. Today, the Madras High Court Chief Justice have made very interesting and serious observations when it comes to conversion of official residence of former Chief Ministers into Memorial House. Today, a petition which was filed by Jayalalitha's legal heir Deepak came up for hearing, and this petition was filed against government's takeover of Jayalalitha's Veda Nilayam property, which was converted into a memorial very recently. And today, the Advocate General who appeared for the Tamil Nadu state government have said that it is a tradition in Tamil Nadu to convert the residences of Chief Minister who have did notable contributions to the state into memorials, and there are 17 such memorial houses in Tamil Nadu. And after hearing this argument that was made by the petitioners at council and the Tamil Nadu AG, the Madras High Court have said that not all the residences of chief ministers can be converted into official residences. And he also observed, if that is the case with the judiciary, if a statue has to be unveiled for the judges who did notable contributions for the judiciary, then there will be no space left for the statues inside the court premises. And now he has adjourned the case for next 4 weeks and have asked the Tamil Nadu state government to file a reply in next 4 weeks. This comes at the time when we saw the Tamil Nadu state government hurriedly rushing to convert Jayalalitha's residence into memorial. Even though it has been converted into a memorial, the government have unveiled it. So far, the public has not been allowed inside the memorial to take a view on it, as the legal case is pending.
All right. Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.